Hello everybody. This is a video for our students because I'm going to explain how our online theory system works. First of all, you have to enter to our webpage www.parapente.pe, and then previously I have created an account, so you have to copy and paste this account. Try to copy and paste because it sometimes it has like strange symbols or capital numbers and you can miss it. Once you are logged, you have to put here in finish tour and you will find several courses. You have to enter to, if you are doing the basic course APPI 1, you have to do 2 theory courses: Paragliding course APP 1 and Logbook APP 1. This first one is about the theory of the techniques that you're going to do during the course. And the second one, the Logbook APPI 1, is the theory that APP 1 recommend that you learn during the basic course. Actually, this theory is in the logbook. That's why this course has this name. So, in this first course, the Paragliding 1, previously I already create you the access, but if not, you can do it by yourself. In this link, green link, that is in Spanish, it says matricularme. You can access by yourself to this course, and you will find all the techniques that you're going to do during the course. For example, low altitude flights, first class. And you will find for each technique 3 items. In the first one, you will find the video and then the written theory and the images. Then you will find a quiz. It's a very easy quiz, only 5 or 6 questions. It's like a reading control, very easy to succeed. And finally, and completely optional, if you have already read the theory in the first section, it's not necessary to read it again because it's the same theory. But if you don't have access all the time to internet, or you want to print the information, you can download the PDF. It's the same theory. So in the first section, video and theory; second section, the quizzes; and the third section, the PDF in case you want to download it. You will have theory of all the course, the first lessons, basic theory, and then the high altitude flights. And then about the logbook APP 1, the same, you can log in by yourself. And here you won't find quizzes, just the video and the theory, because you will find questions to solve at the end of each lesson. It's very important that you solve these questions, that you write it in a worksheet or in a PDF, or just send me by WhatsApp so I can give you feedback of your questions. Try not to use AI, and if you use it, at least read it and analyze it so you can learn about these topics that are very important, and they are mandatory for APPI to get the certification. That's why I put questions to solve, not only quizzes. And you have to solve all these 7 topics. Okay, that's it about our e-learning system. All our students have access to this platform. In case you want to get the access, for a moment, we give it for free. Just send me a WhatsApp and I can create you an account if you are learning in another school. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.